Hey crafters, getting a new Cricut is amazing, but there is always so many things to learn. So I've just put together some quick beginner tips so you can get the most out of your great new crafting tool. Today we're going to look at some of the tools that you will need and some of the other ones that maybe you just want. When you get your Cricut, it pretty much just comes with the machine, a mat or two, a pen maybe, but that's about it. I found that I needed to go out and grab a toolkit pretty much straight away. There are a few tools that you definitely need, and then there's some that you can get away without. First and foremost, you need a weeder. This tool is so versatile. I literally use it every day. It's great to weed vinyl, for easing small cardstock cutouts off your mat. It's great. I even use this tool sometimes to pick up things off my desk when I can't get them. It's amazing. You can get a pen weeder like this one, but personally, I'm not a big fan of this tool. But you might like it. I actually get a little bit scared as it's so super sharp. The second thing you'll need is a burnisher or scraper. Personally, I like to call it a scraper because that's what it does. But I use this all the time too. Perfect for pressing down your vinyl decals or your cardstock on your mat. It's also good for lifting up your cutouts as well. My next favorite tool is a brayer or a roller. I like to keep things simple. This is necessary for rolling your vinyl or paper on your mat. It gets out the bubbles under the surface and also helps it stick to your mat if your mat's a bit old. I can't do without this one. If you get it in the Cricut set, it comes with these pair of tweezers, but I can't say I've ever used them. I'm sure they're good for something. If you're going to pick up the Cricut Basic Tools Kit, it comes with this spatula as well. This is actually a great tool. If you have it, it's very handy, but it's not necessary. I use it a lot to scrape off the small bits of the cardstock off my mat. There's also another set of tweezers that comes in the set, and they're good looking and fun, but I can't say I've used them all that much. There are a lot of other accessories that you can get. Sure, you can go crazy and get the whole lot if you like. But if you're just starting out, start with just a few necessities. That will be enough. If you want to save a bit of cash, you can always grab the cheaper versions of these on Amazon or something similar. This is by far not a comprehensive catalogue. And if I've missed something and you think, why didn't you talk about that one? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you got something useful from this quick video. I'll be putting together some more tips for beginner Cricut users in the weeks to follow. If you have something that you would like me to look at, leave a comment below. I would love to know. If you'd like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be back soon with some more beginner tips and tricks and more crafting adventures soon. So until then, have a fabulous week and I'll see you next time. Bye.